Hello dear students, I am your craft teacher. I will teach you the craft. My name is Anjali Shrivastava and I am expecting that whatever exercises we have given in the first video, that is wall hanging and monkey puppet, you have completed it. If not it completed, complete it fast. Okay. This is the things. If you are going to be pending, keep pending, we will do later on, then it will, you are at the last you are having a compile of all this work, so you will be in trouble. So regularity is the best part in all the subject, either it is maths, physics, Hindi, English, whatever the subject it is. Regularity is very important in your life. So whenever you are getting free time, please complete the work of, especially for drawing and craft. Other subject, so as soon as you are seeing the video and getting the PDF, you have to do it same day itself. Then you will be more comfortable, more relaxed. Otherwise, at the last, if you will get the notice, you have to submit the copy, you are going to be under burden of the lot of work. Pile of work will be pending there. So don't allow anyone to do the same, because it is you who will help yourself. Okay, neither your parents nor your teacher. You have to do the work regularly, then only you are able to complete the work properly. Okay, so we are in the first video. We have explained you wall hanging and monkey puppet. Today we are going to explain you the page number 6 and 7, that is mouse and photo frame. I will explain you. So this book you are having, and with the book you must have got the kit, the things which were there, and in this kit there is a pages. So to make a mouse, the page is given, it is mentioned here page number 6. You will see it is mentioned here page number 6. So you have to use this page for making the mouse, and you have to use this page. It is mentioned here page number 7. So you use this page and this page to make the photo frame. Okay. So these three pages are in with your book only. So whenever you are getting free time, you have to do this work. I am going to explain you how to make mouse and how to make the photo frame. So shall we start now? So this is the mouse which we have to make. So to make this mouse, the paper is given inside the craft kit. It is already mentioned here page number 6. Okay. And what else we need? We need the scissor, and we need the stapler, we need the gum, and this twinkling eye is there. Okay, this eye also we need. So these things already given with you in your kit. While using the scissor, children, please be careful, and with the presence of your parents only you can use the scissor. Otherwise there may be chances of accident. So be careful while using the scissor. So first of all, so what we have to do now? First of all, this paper is with you. This side is written here. So what we have to do? We have to take out this page, this part. So draw the line and then cut it by the scissor. Okay. Now we have to fold the paper. So before folding the paper, you have just mark with the help of a scale 5 equal part. All the parts should be equal. So I am taking the distance of 2. This is first part. This is 4. Second, third fold, fourth fold, and this is fifth one. Okay. Now I have marked it here. Now I will make a fold from here, and the fold will be equal. That's why I put the mark here. So the first step, what we have to do, we have to mark the equal distance and then fold the paper into 5 fold. Okay, this is the 5 fold. And after doing this, what we have to do, we have to make a mark here, that we have to draw a triangle at the both sides. So again we will take this scale and this side also. So we have to mark this equal side. Okay, so I am doing it here, and then draw a triangle. maths is required everywhere, na? So this triangle I have drawn here. Never try to do it raw-handed, okay? Always do it with full calculation so that the work should be equal and neat. Okay, now I'm going to cut it, this triangle. Now what we have to do, we have to make a box in this way so that this will look like this. Okay, this is the exact look. So what we have to do, first we will fold it from here. Here I have made the mark now, so you just fold it from one side, okay, like this. Then when you will open it, you will get this type of structure. Fold all the direction inside. And then when you will put across like this, you will get this type of structure. And we have to paste it with the help of glue, with the help of stapler, whatever you want to use. I'm using here stapler. So this one is there. So this is the one side I have stapled it. Now we have to make a face of the mouse. So what we have to do, we have to connect all these together. This is, we will join, we will staple it from here, and then this will be stapled like. This is the mouse face, okay, and this is the leg. You will see this is the feet of the mouse, and this is the face of the mouse. Now we will put the eyes. These are the googly eyes. You just remove the sticker and you will paste it here like this. So we will paste the googly eyes here with the help of gum. So we will put the googly eyes on the face. So this is the, I have pasted the eyes here. Now you might have, I am having this extra piece with me. I will cut the ear with this triangle which we have cut now. So I have to cut the ear, so I am cutting it. And we will paste it here. One more ear is here. This. Okay. Now this paper which we have cut now, with the help of this paper roll it, and we have to make the tail of the mouse. Okay, roll it like fix this tail. It takes lot of patience, it needs, and very carefully you have to do it. Okay, so this is ready, the mouse is ready. So enjoy this work and do it. Okay, this is the mouse. See, this is the mouse. I made it here. It is not exactly same what is given in your book, but if you will do the practice, you can make it good. See, this is the feet of the mouse. This is the feet of the mouse. Here is the feet of the mouse, and this is the face of the mouse, eyes, ear, everything is there. So enjoy this work, and all the best, children. Please do it neatly. Okay, good day. So we are switching to the next activity, that is the making photo frame. Okay, so in making photo frame you have to use the paper, this paper and this paper. These two papers sheet is given, and it is mentioned here page number 7. Okay, both the sheet it is mentioned here page number 7. So first we will take this sheet and we will fold it half. Okay, and then sheet into 2 half, and then what we have to do, we will take this sheet, and at one side, it's up to you which shape you want to put here. You can make the heart shape, you can make the flower shape, you can make the oval shape, or any shape which one you want to do. So I'm just going to explain you in the book it is mentioned there that in rectangular shape, but I'm going to explain you the oval shape. Okay, so for oval shape what we will do, we will take the scale just at the center of this paper. Center of this paper I am taking here from this side to and this side too. So I am taking from here to this line I will draw. Okay, and from this side also just equal. This is 2.5. From here I am taking 1, and from here also I am taking 1. Okay, now we will join this. Choice is your, dear. Either you can make the rectangle, square, oval, whatever shape you want to do. It's totally free. It is not compulsory that it is given in the book that we have to draw the rectangular, so we will draw only the rectangular shape. Why it is given rectangular? Because maximum pictures you are getting, they are in rectangular shape. So that's why they have given you this option. Fine to you. I'm going to cut it. This is the shape, you will get it. Okay, now it's up to you. We have to decorate it. It is given here. We can use this paper, we can draw the flower petal, or we can draw the butterfly, and we will cut it, and then we will paste it here. And it's not compulsory that you have to do that one. You can make any other shape, either flower, leaf, or whatever shape you want to do. It's up to you. Okay, so I'm just going to explain you with the help of color pencil. I will draw some leaves and some. With the help of this color pencil, I'm going to use here. Okay, from this side also we will do the same. Then we will make the flowers leaf like this. Okay. Again, I am saying to decoration part is not at compulsory what is given in the book. You have to do like that only. It is up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Now, I am going to show you how to draw the butterfly. You fold the yellow paper from this side and draw the shape of butterfly. Okay. And then you will fold it in half, and then you will get the structure. You will cut it from here and you will get the exact picture. I'm going to show you how. This I drawn here and I'm going to cut. One piece I will show you. See this one. I cut it. Okay, this is the shape of butterfly. You can see this. Like this only you can cut another shape also, and then you have to paste it here. Okay, like this. So this way you can complete everything I explained you how to do. Cut the shape from these pages, paste it here and complete it. Okay, enjoy the work. All the best.